If the US president were to have his way, then the highly popular fructose corn syrup in Coca-Cola would be soon replaced by cane sugar. President Donald Trump, known to be addicted to Coca-Cola, specifically Diet Coke, now seems to be acknowledging the problems associated with the fizzy drink, instructing Coca-Cola to replace fructose corn syrup with cane sugar. Fact is, there is opposition from within. Trump's health secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., has voiced concern about the ingredients and the health impacts. The US health secretary has also been critical of the amount of sugar Americans consume and had plans to update nationwide dietary guidelines this year. Approximately 41.9% of adults in the United States have obesity and about 9.2% have severe obesity, according to the CDC, and this is a worry upon the health department. Trump is a regular drinker of Diet Coke, which uses the artificial sweetener aspartame. He had a button installed in the Oval Office's Resolute desk so he can be served the soda. He drinks up to 12 cans a day. Coke sold in the US is typically sweetened with corn syrup. Coke in other countries such as Mexico, the United Kingdom, and Australia, and in India use cane sugar. The beverage giant has declined to either confirm or deny change to ingredients in its signature soft drink.
Research has pointed out towards this direction, that cane sugar is derived from sugar cane, corn syrup is derived from corn starch. Pretty much the same when it comes to the body's response to these products when people drink Coca-Cola. Well, the fact of the matter is that it has the same ditto response on insulin resistance and also on a feeling of fullness when you consume this beverage, and also body weight gain, essentially on weight gain.
Cane sugar derived from sugarcane or sugar beets. High fructose corn syrup is made from corn starch. When comparing equal amounts of cane sugar and HFCS, research suggests that they have similar effects on feelings of fullness, insulin response, and body weight.